What's the first thing that pops into your head when I say architecture? Most people will mention something about the outside of a building. Architecture is so much more than that. While the outside aesthetic of a building is important, people don't just look at it. They live, work, and play inside. This is the story we share at Twofold Doors. Our focus is to create a better experience with the outside world, but most importantly, to create a functional, elegant look from the inside. In order to create beautiful products that are multifunctional, the material used is key. Our windows and doors have steel frames using special insulation technology, so you get the view and also save money on energy bills. That's a pretty good deal. At Twofold, something we are proud of is that our products are made with Accoya, a wood that is 100% sustainable. We love seeing the outdoors from the inside and do our part to ensure nature continues to flourish. The Twofold philosophy is, because you spend a majority of your time indoors, the view from the inside out is second only to function. Our frames are the thinnest in the world. They provide 35% more light and 35% more view of the outdoors during the 95% of the time that the doors are closed. From now on, when you think of folding doors, remember that the view from the inside out is what you will experience the most. Make sure to create an experience that you will enjoy. You can count on that with Twofold Doors.